Hello and heartily welcome to the Parker booth at BAUMA, the world's leading trade fair for mobile construction and equipment. So, what are we showing over here?
This is the very first time where we show our electrification solutions for mobile machines and mobile construction. We show the three new main technologies here on the BAUMA. The first thing is our new GVM motor, special developed for propel functions on mobile machines. On the other podest we have our Ecoreach system, a special developed together with a big customer for forklifts. And this is the third one. This is our steer-by-wire system with special safety functions for mobile machines.